Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Play Store install button not working. So if you want to install any application in your phone and install button is not working, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So to do this, first of all you have to go back and open your phone settings. Once you will open it, you have to click on the apps and the notification from here, and you have to search for the Play Store. Once you will do it, here you will see storage and the cache. So here you have to click on the clear cache and the storage. Once you will do it, open the Play Store application again and try to install the application. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.